In this video, you'll learn how to create a client portal in Notion. This concise guide will help you navigate through the necessary steps to set up a functional and organized space for your clients. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Type notion.so into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which contains various options and features available for users. Next, locate the drop-down menu, typically found in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options. This action will allow you to access different functionalities within your Notion workspace. After that, select the option labeled templates from the drop-down list. This will take you to the templates page where you can explore various pre-designed templates to enhance your workspace. Once you are on the templates page, look for the section labeled marketplace and click on it. This section contains a curated selection of templates created by the Notion community, providing you with a range of choices. Now, in the search bar of the marketplace, type in client portal and hit enter. This action will display all available templates related to client portals, allowing you to find one that suits your needs. Choose a client portal template that appeals to you from the search results. Click on it to view more details about the template, including its features and design. Next, click on the button labeled Add to start the process of incorporating this template into your workspace. This will initiate the addition of the selected template to your Notion account. Afterwards, select the option Add to Private when prompted. This ensures that the template is added to your personal workspace where you can customize it as needed. You will then see a notification indicating that the template is being added. Wait a moment for the process to complete, as this may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the template has been successfully added, a confirmation message will appear indicating that the template is ready for use. This confirms that the template has been integrated into your workspace. Click on the button that says See Template to access the newly added client portal. This will direct you to the template where you can begin customization and setup. Inside the client portal, you will notice various sections such as task board. Click on this section to view and manage tasks relevant to your clients. Continue by selecting the Pro OGTs tab. This area will allow you to organize and track ongoing projects associated with your clients. Next, navigate to the completed section. Here, you can review tasks that have been finished, providing a clear overview of what has been accomplished. Click on the timeline option to visualize project timelines and deadlines. This feature helps in maintaining an organized schedule for client deliverables. Select the resources section to access any materials or documents you have linked to the client portal. This area serves as a central repository for important information. Lastly, click on the planning calendar to view upcoming events and deadlines. This tool is essential for keeping track of important dates and planning future activities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.